Hello everybody, welcome back to Scuba Thai, and today we're going to be diving Playa Kalki at the dive site Alice in Wonderland located in Curacao. To start the dive, we descended down to the wall of beautiful coral. Here's a small school of Creole wrasse. The max depth of this dive was only around 60 feet. We then continued on the dive, noticing some sea sponges and some black sea rod gorgonian coral. Here's a small school of goatfish. They're known to be the bottom dwellers of the sea. I then found a golden-tailed moray eel. These are really cool to see because I mostly find either green moray eels or spotted moray eels. Here's some yellow pencil coral. This yellow and purple fish is a small Spanish hogfish. I then spotted this anemone moving with the current. Seen here is a stovepipe sponge. I then found this bearded fireworm eating some coral. They mostly eat branching corals and diseased ones too. Here I am, still looking for those seahorses. Now I might be wrong about this one, but I believe this is a school of red porgies. If you think you know what this fish is, please comment below. This cool looking unique fish is called a trumpet fish. Here's a small trumpet fish with a squirrelfish in the gorgonian coral. Here's some more yellow pencil coral. Here's the third trumpet fish of the dive. There's actually the fourth one too to the right. I then encountered a blue head wrasse. Here's the rope that leads us back to the pier. This dive is loaded with trumpet fish. This is the fifth one of the dive. Here's a cool little saxophone statue that someone put under the water. I found another stovepipe sponge. Let me know if you know what this fish is. We finally reached it to the statue of Chi-Chi. In the Curacao local language, Chi-Chi means an older sister who binds the family together in a loving and caring way. Here's another blue head wrasse and a trunkfish. I then saw this sand tile fish. This is a banded butterfly fish. That is the end of the first dive and now the start of the second dive. My sister and mom decided to join us by snorkeling above us. Here's a school of green chromis swimming around us. I then found this huge green moray eel. I needed to get a closer look. When I did, I saw there was a coral banded shrimp resting on it. Here's a beautiful sea rod gorgonian coral drifting through the current. As I continued on the dive, I saw these two huge Caribbean spiny lobster. These lobsters are nocturnal and do not have claws like other lobsters do. I then saw this large school blue tang in a frenzy feasting on something. I still don't know what this fish is. Maybe a triple tail? I'm not sure. Can you please let me know in the comments if you know? We started returning back to the pier and encountered lots of fire coral. In this rock, I spotted a spiny sea urchin. I saw this spotted moray eel wrapped up under the rock. Here's a red lip blenny in a tube sponge. I found another spotted moray eel. This one's really cool because it's mostly white in color. After 8 years of diving, I finally found my second seahorse. I looked for one every dive and found one. I've only seen 2 in my 8 years of diving. I believe this species is a type of long snout seahorse. What a great way to end the dive. Thanks again for watching and see you next time on Scuba Tie.